A new storm is sweeping across Africa. A storm of sovereignty, power, and defiance. The West is trembling. The age of exploitation is ending, and Africa's giants are rising to take back what is theirs. This is not just a policy shift, it's a revolution. Don't even think about changing that dial, because what I have in store will leave you speechless. Grab a seat and get comfortable. If you're an African or someone who stands for Africa, you're in for a treat today. Colonel Mamadi Doumbouya, Guinea's uncompromising leader, has fired the first shot. On May 15, 2025, his government dropped a political bombshell, revoking the mining licenses of 46 foreign companies, ripping away control over the nation's vast mineral wealth. This bold move has sent shockwaves through the global mining industry. But this is more than just a crackdown on underperforming operators. This is a calculated strike against a system of economic domination by the West, particularly France, that has kept Africa in the shadows of dependency for centuries. This is Doumbouya's warning to the West: your free ride is over. Guinea, home to the world's largest bauxite reserves, the critical mineral for aluminum production, and significant deposits of gold, iron ore, and graphite, has long been a treasure chest for Western corporations. But for the people of Guinea, the profits have been little more than a trickle. For decades, foreign companies have plundered this wealth, extracting billions while leaving Guinea's people to struggle. But now, under Doumbouya, the rules are changing. Doumbouya's revocation of 46 mining licenses is not just a warning, it is a declaration of independence, a promise that Guinea will no longer be a puppet of the West or a passive supplier of raw materials, but a fierce guardian of its own destiny. If you are still watching this video, it means you love it. Be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Have you done that? Let's move on. This move mirrors the actions of his Sahelian allies, Captain Ibrahim Traore in Burkina Faso, Colonel Assimi Goïta in Mali, and General Abdourahmane Chiani in Niger, leaders who have all taken bold steps to reclaim their resources from foreign hands, thus allowing them to provide for their people, far beyond any other previous so-called leaders. Together, these nations are forming a formidable bloc, the Alliance of Sahel States, a coalition born not just out of military necessity, but out of a shared vision of economic sovereignty. This is the rebirth of Pan-Africanism, a call for economic self-reliance, for an end to the era of exploitation, and for the West to pay for centuries of looting. Will France ever be held accountable for the decades of exploitation in the 15 Sahel countries? Share your thoughts below. Let's start the conversation. The world is watching as Africa rises. From Conakry to Ouagadougou, Bamako to Niamey, the message is clear: Africa is done playing second fiddle.